Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the second video of the Python list. We have already covered the couple of concepts of the list in the video number 1. If you are new to this channel, if you're new to this video, please watch out the first video, then come to this video, and let's get started with the video. So here in this video we'll be covering about the list without duplicate elements and list with the duplicate elements and numbers and strings, and how to do negative indexing and how to do the reverse of the list. So as you all know, this is the list. As you all know, this is the list, this is the content of the list, these are the element of the list, and the syntax how to print the complete list is print list. When you do this, it will print the content of the list. Now see, when I run this example, I see that reverse is not defined. Just a moment, I think I haven't commented out somewhere. Yes, so there was a problem in multiple comment. So this is how it prints list without duplicate element. This is the content of the print statement, and this will be printed, and complete list is printed 1 2 3 4 5 6 0. Print and provide the list name. It will print the complete list. Now let's take one more example. In this list we have got multiple duplicate elements. As you can see, 2 is appeared twice and 4 is appeared 4 times, 9 is appeared twice, 2 is appeared thrice. So we will try to see whether the duplicate elements does have any impact on the order or the location preservation or address preservation. As you can see, this list is contains 1 2 2 4 4 4 3 9 9 9 4 and 2. Almost you can see 2 4 9, they have the duplicate elements. So first statement, what it is doing is it's printing the complete list, and this is what it is doing, it is printing the first element, that is index 0 means it will print the first element of the list. 1 is it prints the second element of the list. 2 is it prints third element of the list. Similarly it prints the till I'm printing the 0 to 11. Let's see whether let's see the output. So after execution you can see the list of 0 means that is the first index, that is the value 1, second index value is 2, third index value is 2, 4, third index value is 4, fourth index value is 4, fifth index value is 4, sixth index value is 3. Similarly it is printing. Now let's say if you want to print the last element of the list, just provide -1, just provide -1, and it will print the last element. Let me run this example one more time. Now let's see, if I run this example, I should see the last element, that is 2. So it printed the last element as a 2. If I want to print the second last element from the reverse order, what am I supposed to do? I'm supposed to add -2 instead of -1. -2 will print the second last element. As you can see, 4 is printed the second last element. Let's take another example. Now see the second example. This example list contains number and the string. It contains the numbers and string. What are the numbers here? 9 7 2 1, and the strings are palindrome is reverse of string. Print of list 1, what it does is it prints the complete list, and here print of list 1 of 0, list 1 of 2, list 1 of 3 up to list 1 of 7 7. It prints the individual element based on the index. Now run this example and see the output. as you can see, initially it printed the complete list. And print individual element by providing index. This printed the print statement, and from there it started printing the first index element, second index element, third index element, up to the last index element. This is printed twice because I have added twice. Now we will talk about the negative indexing. This will cover the negative indexing. Here we have the this example basically demonstrate the how to use the negative indexing. This is the list. This is the elements of the list 1 2 3 4 5, and it prints the element from the reverse direction. That is, -1 represent the -1 represent the last element, -2 represent the second last, -3 represent the third last, -4 represent the fourth last, and -5 represent the fifth last here. Now run this example and see whether it displays the individual element from the reverse order. Now I'll close this and run one more time. See, it displayed values from the reverse order, that is 5 4 3 2 1. Our list was 1 2 3 4 5, and negative indexing, it prints the values from the reverse order. Now let's say if I want to print the complete list in a reverse order, how to do this? It's very simple with the list. Just comment out this section just to avoid confusion. You need to follow this syntax, that is colon, double colon, -1. It will print the list in reverse direction. Now see, what was your list? List was 1 2 3 4 5, and the list with negative indexing. This is the reverse list. What it printed is from the reverse direction, 5 4 3 2 1. We will take one more example and we will see different concept here. Reversing the list, as I have already covered the how to reverse the link, how to reverse the list. This is the highlighted syntax, and we will take and we will try to reverse it in a different way. We are using the same concept. What we are doing is, we are, after reversing, we are storing the content in one more list and printing that list. Here what we are doing is, we are creating a list with values 1 2 3 4 5. We are creating one more list. The name of the list is reverse list, and what we are doing is, we are reversing the list and storing it in the reverse list and printing one message and print the content of the reverse list. So the crucial syntax which reverses the complete list is :1. This is the one. This syntax, it does the magic over here. It reverses the list. Now let's run and see this example. What it did is, it reversed the list. Reverse of list is 5 4 3 2 1. If I run this one more time, it printed. Now what we do is, we will add some more element. Now we will run this and see 0875432 Thank you very much guys for watching these videos, and there will be another 3 more videos coming which will cover different aspects of the list. Please do subscribe to my channel and hit like button, share with your friends, those who it will be helpful for the people, those who want to learn this concept. Thank you very much.